Yo mga ka-football, welcome back to another video. Andito naman tayo for another quick rip of the day. We got another one. This time meron tayong FIFA 365 Adrenaline XL 2026 promo pack. 6 cards lang to, and as you can see in the cover, it's promotional use only. So minsan dito talaga lumalabas yung mga unexpected surprises. Sa cover makikita natin sina Kylian Mbappe, Fernandez, Xhaka at Barella. Solid lineup, kaya kahit promo pack, sana makaswerte pa rin tayo today. Let's get into it mga kagol. Buksan na natin to. Let's go! We're starting strong. First, we got a Magician card from Llorente ng Atletico Madrid. Next, we got a Real Madrid legend, fans favorite card, Ruud van Nistelrooy. Then next, we got Inter's Agosto. Next, we got Collins from Frankfurt. Then we have Martin from Sporting. And lastly, we got Al Nadi from Al Nassr. Not bad mga ka-football, promo pack lang to, but we have several hits today. First, we pulled the Llorente Magician card. Solid yung gold shine niya. At ito yung pinaka-the best sa pack na to is yung Van Nistelrooy fans favorite legend card. Classic Real Madrid icon to mga ka-football, lalo na kung nasubaybayan mo yung Real Madrid last 2006. Again, comment nyo po kung ano yung mga purples nyo lately sa mga football packs nyo or basketball packs. Again, kung gusto nyo pa ng quick rips, unboxing at iba pa, paki-like, subscribe at i-hit ang bell icon. Again, this is Rick Q. Peace out mga ka-football.